Hey Poochie, your bark box is here. Bark box? Bark box? No, my bark box. Yay. What's in it this time? I don't know, you're gonna have to open it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That one's kind of weird. I might name it Frabber. Freebird. There's its tag. Yeah, I'm gonna call it Frabber. I can't say it right. It's okay. Frabber, you're my baby now. Frabber, what am I gonna do with you? Frabber. Frabber. Come on, Frabber. Come on, Frabber. Come on. Hey. Whoa, what's happening here? Whoa. Frabber? Huh? Frabber? What's Frabber doing? Frabbles! You back? Are you okay? I'm okay. Master. Huh? Did you just talk? Yeah. Was it something I said? No! You talk! What? He talks? Yes, Frabble talks. Then make him talk. Frabble, talk. Hello, Poochie. I don't hear anything. You must be hearing things. Frabble does talk. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. 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 No, he doesn't. Okay, I'm not arguing with you, but he does not talk. Yes, I do. It's like he's trying to talk to me, but he's not. He is. But he's not, actually. Most likely is, because I heard him. Mr. Pooch! Poochie, what are we gonna do? I don't know. Whoa. Frabber! Grab on! Yeah. Put go. Grab on. Whoa! He's so cool looking now. Now let's go save Mr. Pooch. Yeah! Let's go, Frabber! Grab on! Frabber! Grab on! Okay, let's go, Poochie. We need to use our wand? Yes, I think I've seen this thing before. Okay, I think it's push a little. Whoa! Where did you get magic from? Talk about it later. Oh! Hey, where did he get his old wand from? Frabber does talk. So, as a matter of fact, let's not talk about it. Okay, alright. Well, Frabber, I'm glad we saved you. But guess what? There's one thing we still need to do. And what's that? Frabber! Let go! Huh? I'm back. No. Poochie, let go. Huh. Yay, we're back to normal. Yo.